Let me show you how you can create your flyers using your smartphone and a Canva app. These are samples of flyers, business flyers. So in 3 minutes, I want to show you how you can create this, how you can make this with your smartphone. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notification button. Give us a thumbs up. Is that okay? Let's go in. To create flyer, open your Canva app. You're going to see your create button. You will see your design button, your template button. You will see this business button. This is for premium users. You will see your more button. These are the tools you see with your Canva app. So for us to make a flyer, you click on your template, go up and search for flyer. These are samples of flyers. Let's search for business flyer up here. Business flyer. You are going to see samples of business flyer. Mind you, business flyer sample is different from church flyer, and it's also different from party flyer. In case you want to make a church flyer, so you don't go ahead using party samples to make church flyer bigger. That is why I'm making these examples. So let's check for church flyers. Let's see the samples of church flyers. Okay, we are searching for church flyer. Here are samples of churchy flyers. So I'm trying to give you a guide in case you want to make any flyer. First of all, come up here and search for the kind of flyer you want to, so that you will see the samples, and then you will now edit it to your work. So for me, in this video, I want to show you how to create a church flyer. Don't forget. Like I said, here are samples of party flyers. You can see that the templates are different. The designs are also different from other samples of flyers. So let us design a church flyer. That's going to be our work for today. So we are going to type up here. We're going to search church flyers. So here are samples. Let's scroll down to make a choice of the kind we want to make. Let's click on this jazz music template so we can edit it to our work. So we have clicked on it and it has opened a page for us to edit it. So you're going to see these tools down here. You're going to see edit, font, text style, and the rest. So when you open your work, whatever you tap on, Canva will tell you to edit it to your taste. So if you click on this image with saxophonist, they will tell you edit it, replace it. So we have clicked on jazz music. So it is open for us to edit. So I'm changing this jazz music to Xmas concert. So use your phone down here to select how you want this Xmas concert to look like. If you scroll, you're going to see different styles. So you are going to see color down here, A and colors down. You see bold. All these tools down here, the font size, the color, the bold, the italic. Make use of these tools on any work you click on. Try to use any of these tools down here to make them change. They will change, and try to see if it is what you like. And use your brand colors to change the colors, change the text styles, the font size. This is the font size. Do you want the write-up to be big? Do you want it to be small? Use this font size to adjust it. So we have just edited it and named it Xmas concert. So we are now on this date. It was August 20th. So we have now changed it to December and 23rd. So we are changing the location to Calabar Christmas Villa. It wasn't like this, so we just tapped on it and we are changing it to Calabar Christmas Villa. So let us add this location icon by clicking on the gallery. This is the gallery down here. It will take you to your phone gallery. Click on this. I already installed my location icon, so I will add it to this work and then zoom it in to fit into the location. So when you see it is giving you a location that this is the location of this program. So you bold it, now we are editing the names of this saxophonist up here.
It wasn't Levinus and Trump, so we have changed it to Levinus and Trump. So you bold the name, you change your color, you italicize it, and then bring it back. I am doing this because it's a phone. You're using smartphone. If you are using system, it's not going to be like this. So like I said, anything you tap is going to change. It's going to tell you to edit. So I've tapped on this image. So use this plus sign to duplicate this image and then drag it to wherever you want it to be. I've duplicated it to 3 more places, and then I shifted one to this right hand and one to the center down. So I just adjusted it to be how I want it to be. Click on this adjust button to adjust the brightness of your work. If you don't click on it, your work is going to be very dim and blurry. So adjust the brightness so that it's going to be very clear. If you don't do this, your work is not going to be clear. It's going to be blurry to the eyes. So adjust your brightness, your peak, your contrast. If you like it this way, you download it using the button up. Thank you. Bye.